Cooking section. I talk about chicken fajitas. The ingredients: a half cup of olive oil, a quarter of lime juice, and half a red pepper, and a pound of chicken, a little salt, a little cumin, and 3 bells of peppers. And first, so you have to put in the bowl the oil and the lime and the red pepper, and then so you have to add the chicken with salt and red pepper. Then so you have to put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After that, so you have to put in the skillet about medium heat for about 8 minutes per side, no? In every side, 8 minutes, in order to get the golden color. And then, so you have to prepare the roast milk. The ingredients: sugar, 150 grams, and 80 cc of water. And so you need 4 eggs, milk, and vanilla. So first, so you have to boil the sugar and the water, yes, until it gets a mixture like a caramel color. Then so you have to mix the 4 eggs, the milk, and the vanilla, and so you have to put in the heat for about, in the fire for about 45 minutes. Then so you have to get cold, and then so you have to put in the refrigerator for about 50 minutes. And always the glass of wine goes well with chicken fajitas. Sports news. Lewis Hamilton won the Japanese GPA, and Sebastian Vettel arrived in the 6th position, although he has a collision with Sebastian Verstappen. And if Sebastian Vettel wins the next race in the United States, he will be the champion. If he wins the next race, he will be champion for the 5th time. Home news. In Colombia, bullfighting returns again. Colombia Constitutional Court stopped the decision to ban the bullfighting. And there is a first opposition, and the change of the judges that left 2 years deadline. According to this, the court will ban the bullfighting in 2 years later. And there are some countries that bullfighting is legal, like Spain, France, Portugal, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela. International news. Bulgarian journalist was killed in Rus near Danube River, and she was 30 years old. Her body was found in a park. Her belongings, cell phone, keys, cards, and her glasses were missing. Bulgaria is the worst country in the European Union, and there is no freedom of the journalists to work there. There is international condemnation of this crime, and all the people that they getting involved in here to have to be captured and to count. The entertainment section. I have to talk about the movie The Nun. The Nun is a appropriate movie because everything is about the nun. And I give another name, Mr. Death, because it's strange that the nun suicides by herself. It's a terror movie, and it was filmed in 2018 in United States. It's about the nun that she suicides in Romania, and the Vatican sent a priest, a novice, in order to investigate her death. The locations were amazing. The movie doesn't need extra locations. The actors were very chosen. The locations are amazing, are excellent, and the message and were very well. The person had been written in excellent because according to the situation, and I identify with the priest because he is a very serious person and calm down.